Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, hi, my name is Olivia and I've been a type 1 diabetic for over 20 years. Today, however, the video is not catered to me and living with diabetes like most of my content is. Today, I'm actually talking about the Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box. This is a new subscription through Fabfitfun, and I did a video back a week ago with my spring Fabfitfun box. I got a lot of hits here on YouTube, and I thought it'd be fun to come on and share what I got for my monthly beauty edit box from Fabfitfun. So as I previously mentioned, a lot of my content here on YouTube is catered towards being a type 1 diabetic. I have had this disease for over 20 years now, and I'm also the proud mom of now 3 children. I have a daughter who is just turning a month old. So Fabfitfun is kind of how I get my pleasure for myself. I am a subscriber of theirs, so I receive my boxes quarterly throughout the year, and I also signed up for the monthly beauty edit box because in addition to being a mom and a diabetic, I'm also a girl that loves skincare, beauty, and just taking care of herself, despite what I may look like now because I'm in the newborn phase, so sleep and showering and all that stuff isn't as regular as I would like. But regardless, before we get started into what I received this month, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in sticking around to see about me, my life, and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. To start, the beauty edit box from Fabfitfun is very similar to, if you've heard of like Ipsy or Allure, where they do the beauty boxes. This is 100% customizable, whereas Ipsy and Allure, you do not get to customize 100% of your box. But for this box here, you receive 4 full-size items for $30 a month, which is something that I'm willing to pay because I really do go through, especially with skincare, quite frequently. As a side note, when I had my daughter, my second child, I had a little spout of skin cancer on my face. I had to have removed, and I had to have a skin graft to replace that. And that was because years prior, I never used sunscreen. And up until that incident, I never used sunscreen. I wasn't really into skincare. I didn't wash my face at night. I didn't do anything like I should have been doing. And from that, so that is about 3 years ago, since then I've been very involved and very focused on making sure that my skin, my biggest organ in my body, is well taken care of. So that is how I do it. I get a lot of my items that I use on my skin through subscription boxes like this because everything is so discounted. These are 4 full-size products that are very high-class, top-tier products. For 30 bucks, you can't beat that. Because if I were to walk into Sephora or Ulta, I'd be spending well over $100 for a lot of these items. So what you're gonna be seeing today is some skincare, some makeup items, because how Fabfitfun does it is you get to pick 4 items from a group of other items. So similar to how Ipsy is as well, they give you maybe 6 items and you can pick one of them to be in your box. And that's how Ipsy does it. Allure, you don't really get to pick anything if you are familiar with them either. But like I said, this is not really my typical content here on YouTube, but I thought it'd be interesting to kind of pop one and show you guys because in this stage of life, like I said, I just had my 3rd child. I'm really trying to find ways to still bring little pieces of myself into daily life outside of just being a mom, because if you have a newborn, you know, when you first have kids, you are just surrounded by 100% motherhood, 100% kids all of the time. So I thought it'd be fun to make content here on my channel that wasn't about diabetes, it wasn't about being a mom, but maybe about something I enjoyed doing outside of those things. So let's get into it. So I'll open it up. So this was my February box. So I signed up for it in December, so this is my 3rd box I've gotten from them, and I'm going to show you what I got today. So this was one of the options. It's the Origins Ginger Souffle body butter, so just like a body lotion. And I thought this would be nice because, like I said, I'm not that much into makeup. I am more so into skincare and taking care of my body. So a ginger smelling lotion, I thought sounded really lovely, and that is what it looks like. It's a very creamy texture. I'll actually do a little swatch for you guys to show you. It's very creamy, and this is my first time ever trying the product. It's very light and moisturizing. I don't know about you, but I have really struggled this season with all of the cold weather we've gotten in New Jersey with keeping my skin nice and hydrated. So that's why I chose this product, because I love the smell of ginger. And this has a beautiful, not too abrasive smell. It is very moisturizing, and I'm excited. The packaging does look like it's changed. I looked online when I was picking the products, and the product packaging looks different now than it did when I looked online, but I would assume it's the same. In this is 3.4 ounces or 100 mLs of product. I grabbed that. Another thing I grabbed was this. It's the Kosas Wet Lip Oil in the shade Cola. You could see. So I remember in this customization, they had all makeup choices. And in those choices, I have a very hard time, because typically I pick in every category a skincare item or a body item, like a hair care or a perfume or skincare. So it's really hard for me when the categories only have makeup, because I'm not a very big makeup person. But I don't have anything on my lips right now, so I'll put this on for you guys so you can see. I've heard a lot of good things about the brand Kosas. So actually I have another Kosas brand in my box that you guys will see in a second. But let's put it on. But I went with the brown color because I thought it would be the most neutral. I'm not into big, flashy, showy colors like the big reds and the bold oranges. I like the more neutral colors that I can go almost with that no makeup look. So you can see I can get them close. You can see it's a very neutral color. I actually do like it. It does not feel like makeup. It feels like a moisturizing lip product, almost like a lip balm. So I do like that it brings a little bit of color to my lips, but also not drying them out and making them feel a bit more moisturized. So I'm happy about that. I will definitely keep this in my rotation for lip products, throw it in my bag. The other Kosas item I got was the Kosas Soul Gazer Intensifying Gel Eyeliner. And this is something that's new to me. First off, I'm not a big eyeliner person, but this is like a white eyeliner. And I'm not gonna be trying this on for you guys today because I just don't think I'm that talented to be able to put it on camera without like poking myself in the eye. But it is a neutral colored eyeliner. And what they tell you to do with it is outline the bottom in your waterline of your eye, and it's supposed to brighten your eyes up and make your eyes look bigger and brighter. And I thought that would be interesting. I'm not a big black eyeliner person, but I thought this would go well with the no makeup look. And I will definitely try it out. This product is really cool if you can't tell. It almost reminds me of like a pencil grip right here to keep it really easy to hold while you are applying the product. But yeah, it's very neutral. I'll draw it on my hand so you can see what it looks like. It's right there. But it's only, so it's not even like a white shade. It's a neutral shade to put under your eyes. It's supposed to brighten your eyes up. And I remember in this category, they didn't have any skincare or body care items either. They had a few eyeliners to pick from, so it was either this or black. So I picked this color just because I thought it'd be something interesting to try. I don't know if it's going to go well, so I'll put it back into the packaging. But one day when I'm feeling a little bored, which I have 3 kids, it doesn't happen very often, I will give this a go. So this was the third item I picked. And then the last item I picked was something they actually offered in their spring Fabfitfun box. I passed on because I knew I was getting this beauty edit box, and I was curious to see if Fabfitfun would have boxed items they were offering for spring in this box, and they did. So this is something I wanted from the spring box, and I'm glad I held off on it. It's the Summer Fridays Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's the Mineral Milk Sunscreen. So as I mentioned, I had a spout with skin cancer when I had my daughter, and skincare and sunscreen is very important to me now. I put it on every day, whether it be snowing out, raining out, no matter what the weather is, I do wear it. So with spring approaching, it's even more important because I'll be outside more now with sports and the parks and all of that stuff with everything warming up. So having a good sunscreen on hand is important. I do love the Summer Fridays brand. I actually love their lip balm. It's very moisturizing. Not like I'm advertising for Summer Fridays or anything, but I do like the brand, and I will show you what it's like. So I have that little dot right there. So as it says a milk, I do imagine it to be very lightweight, which it does feel extremely lightweight. And I love that because I do not care for the sunscreens that are really heavy and thick and clog up your pores. This seems like it would not do that. So broad spectrum SPF 30 is something I'll put on multiple times a day, especially in the spring weather. And I'm super glad that they had this in the box because I would have been disappointed if I didn't choose it for my spring box and I also didn't get it for my beauty edit box. So I grabbed this, but it's very lightweight and I would definitely recommend this. So yeah, this is the fourth item I picked. So I do not know on retail what all this stuff would cost. I know that it has to be close to $100 because I know that Kosas is not a cheap brand. I want to say that the sunscreen retailed for over 30 bucks alone and this retailed for almost 40. So just all in all, I spent for this entire box right here what I would have spent for just this. So it's definitely something I enjoy and look forward to every month. I'm excited to see what they offer for March. If you're interested in seeing more beauty edit box just like this one, please stick around. Maybe I will choose to do one again in March if this video takes off like my Fabfitfun unboxing did a week ago. So once again, thank you guys for sticking around with me today, and I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.